It's almost like I can't put it into words. That's how great it is, because it's the learning, of course, it's the teamwork, but they're in this college setting and they get a real grasp on what it might be like to go to school here. That's the whole goal. So the class I'm teaching is the basics of InDesign, but I have students, most of the kids are seniors in the class, so they're excellent writers, they know how to edit, they've had some leadership experience, but maybe they haven't been a designer. And so now they know that they're going to be leading other people in design, and they're going to be looking at layouts and really managing the whole process. So they're coming here, they have a wealth of knowledge, now they're adding it to their vision. And so they're not only learning for themselves, but they know they're taking information back to their publications.
I like how the class size is small. Even though there's a lot of design kids, it was split up into 2 classes, so it's easy to have one-on-one. And I love our instructor, Elizabeth. She's so kind and patient, and she really helps you get involved into the new environment and learn.
She sparked some sort of creativity within me, because she made me look at design as a art, and I really never looked at it that way. So it made me I'd sit in class and I'd imagine these different designs, these different colors. And I think that has a lot to come from her, because she's so creative and artistic herself. It's
been one of the best weeks of my life, I would say, even during the summer. I've had so much fun, made so many new friends, and lots of great experiences.